Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make profit in City Skylines 2. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing, load up your game, and then on the bottom right corner you should see a city economy button. So you need to press on that, and then here you have your budget, and here you have your taxations and services. So probably you spend a lot of money here if you build your city on the roads, on the electricity, on the water and sewage, healthcare and death care. So what you can do here, probably your budget is on 100%. As you can see here, I did nothing here, I changed nothing, and all the basically sectors is on 100%. So what you can do here, you can decrease a budget a bit, and in that way you can save the money. Of course, be careful, so people because people can be unhappy and they can abandon your city, but nevertheless, don't leave it on 100%. You can make it on 90, 80, and even 70 on individual sectors here, right? And another thing that you can do here is taxation as well. So here, as you can see, there is 4 different industries of taxation. So it will be office, industrial, commercial, and residential. And you can expand all the options one by one. And for example, we can increase tax rate also on, for example, highly educated people, right? For a bit, or just educated. And in that way, if you increase your taxation percentage, you will get more money. Also commercial as well. As you can see here, there is a lot of sectors as well: food, furniture, paper, meals, chemicals, and more. On default, it's all 10%. We can increase some of those sectors here and look if people happy or not, and if they happy, you can leave it, and if it's not, then you can reduce a bit, so they do not leave your city, right? So that's pretty much it. Just tweak around these 2 options and you will make more money in City Skylines 2. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.